a web developer and you are looking to supercharge your WordPress website design and customization, maybe you are looking to add custom features, you want to code your website, you can also make use of Elementor to do that. So in order to get started, you need to head over to developers.elementor.com. I'm going to leave the link in the description of the video. So you need to come over here and you see the information you need for the Elementor you want. So this is their documentation. Then you can click on get started to check their documentation. So this is learn what Elementor is all about, learn what is their add-ons, their add-on features. Then the developer docs website is here. So you can come here and go through their documentation. You click on get started, you check the versions, the community, you can join the community. If you want to learn about the add-ons, you want to learn about the Elementor internals, so the editors, work with the editors, how to work with hooks, scripts and styles, CLI and others. Then if you want to work with components, with widgets, taking control, the form actions and everything, you are going to see everything here. And how to you can go about creating your first add-on, your how to create your add-on files and everything. You are going to see everything here in the documentation. And if you are still having any issues, you can join. It's advisable to join their community and you can have access to other developers and mentor developers, ask questions, share ideas together, and rub minds together.